Another Christmas gift has arrived for me from Fast Growing Trees. Thanks, family, again. I am so happy. Let me get busy opening this up. I know it's my kiwi tree. Oh, yes. Yes, it's my kiwi tree. Look how they have it packaged here so nice in this box, you guys. My fuzzy kiwi tree. And they say that with fast growing trees, you gotta have, for the kiwi, you gotta have a female and a male tree to pollinate each other to get the fruit. And they say they sell it with a female and a male tree together. Look at this. There's 2 trees in this one pot. So it's gonna be guaranteed that I'm gonna have some fruit to grow, since I have the male and the female plant growing together. Can't wait to see my kiwis growing. Oh boy. Look at here. Let's see how to get this out of here. Oh, I gotta cut that little string off first. Let me go get my scissors and cut that off. Okay, look at you, kiwi. You looking great. Yes, you are. Now they say that this kiwi is like a vine. So I'm gonna have to get some kind of trellis to put up behind it so it can grow up on. But it's 2 trees in one pot. The male and the female tree. Look at that, two trees in one pot. That's how fast growing trees sells them. So it guarantees you that they're gonna be able to pollinate each other with the male and female there and help you get fruit, because you gotta have a male and a female to pollinate each other in order for the kiwis to fruit. Okay, you had a nice trip too, all the way from South Carolina. Okay, kiwi, you looking nice, Yes, you are. Okay. Let me get you, water is still soil is still kind of damp there. Now I'm gonna give you some more watering on you. Looking great. Thanks again, family. We're gonna have fruit growing in Big Mama's garden soon. Okay, let me water my kiwi tree. Wet your little leaves up a little bit here. Wet my floor all up, but that's all right. Let you get some good water. You're next to your apple tree friend here. Both of y'all from Fast Growing Trees. Oh boy, I am so happy. Welcome to the family, Kiwi. Welcome to the family. Welcome to Big Mama's garden. Oh, your leaves look so beautiful. Oh, yes, they do. And this is in a 30-gallon pot. And like I said, you have to have the male and the female kiwi growing together to produce they're going to pollinate each other to produce the fruit. Got the male and the female. Okay. Fast growing trees sell them both in one pot together. So go check out Fast Growing Trees. I think we got some good trees here from them, and they're looking beautiful. Come on, apple tree. Say hello to your kiwi brother. Okay. Can't wait to see my fruit start to grow. And over here, my avocado tree is starting to bloom. Look at here. Look at that avocado coming out there. Okay, I see you. Y'all come on and grow big, beautiful avocados for my family. Okay. Can't wait to see you in full bloom. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Avocados starting to bloom, starting to grow there. Okay, avocados, come on, avocados. I am so excited to see my trees and my plants grow in abundance. Come on, grow avocados. I also brought my Jamaican sorrel in from the cold, and I still see some Jamaican sorrel growing here. Come on, come on. Looking nice, yes.